ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಫೀಸ್ 5,000 rupees ಇದೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ 80% ಆಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇವಲ 1,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡೀ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕಲಿಬಹುದು. ಕೇವಲ 100 ದಿವಸಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಬಹುದು ಮತ್ತು ಕೇವಲ 1,000 ಫೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವರ್ಷ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಸ್ಟ್ PUC ಆನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮುಗಿತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕೇವಲ 100 ಡೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PUC ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಲಿತು ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ದಿವಸಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು CET, JEE ಮೇನ್, JEE ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಮತ್ತಿನ್ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ದಿವಸಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ನೀವು ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ PUC ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅನ್ನ 100 ಡೇಸಲ್ಲೇ ಕಲಿತು ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ದಿವಸಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು CA, CS ಮತ್ತಿನ್ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಜೋಶಿ 13+ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು 5+ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ PUC ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತಿನ್ಯಾಕ್ ತಡ, ಫೋನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೀಟನ್ನು ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಸೀಟ್ಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ PUC ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ PUC ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ.
Next we shall go to question number 7, main question number 7. Answer any two of the following questions. So 5 mark questions. Any two may have to be solved. Total 10 mark questions will be there in this main. In this question number 37, following is the data regarding marks obtained by the students in an examination. Construct histogram. It's asked to construct histogram and hence identify the value of mode through the graph. This is what is the data given, marks and number of students, marks in terms of class intervals given, and frequencies are 4, 14, 20, 16 and 6. We have to cautiously observe once when histogram is asked whether given class intervals are of exclusive type or inclusive type. Here it is given exclusive type of class intervals. So no need for any kind of conversions. Directly the given data can be used to draw histogram. Let's go for the solution. First let us write title histogram to represent data regarding marks and number of students. Sometimes for this title 1 mark will be given. We have to cautiously write title. And then let's go for scale setting. X-axis 1 centimeter equal to 20 units let it be taken because class intervals were given 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60 like that. And for Y-axis 1 centimeter equal to, let us take 4 units. So as per the scale for y-axis 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 with width of 4 units each, and for x-axis 0 to 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 and 120. So according to the given question, let's plot the values. It's given 0 to 20, value as 4, 0 is here and 20 is here. 0 to 20, let us plot this 4. And then 20 to 40 it was 14, so between 12 to 16 14, let us just assume here. And then next it was 40 to 60 20, so 40 to 60 20, and then next it was 16, okay, and lastly it was 6. So with the given frequencies, adjacent bars to be drawn in order to get histogram. That's what has already been done here. And further it was asked to locate mode using this graph. So let us find out the highest length bar in this particular histogram, that is 40 to 60. Let's join the previous and next class intervals using this particular way, and then at the point of intersection let us drop perpendicular to x-axis. Here exactly we can get mode. Approximately we can tell that modal value to be here 52. It's always better to apply mode formula and then calculate manually and exactly write the answer what we get here in the graph. So I have already kept it calculated, mode to be equal to 52. That's why here with the approximation I said modal value to be equal to 52. If not manually calculated, approximation here for modal value will be very difficult sometimes. It depends on the scale set also. So as I've already told, it's always better to calculate manually and then write exact value of mode. But in this question, it was not asked to calculate this manually. Even if you are not calculating, an approximation is being written around 51, 52 or 53. Sometimes marks may be given for this. If time permits, always better to calculate manually and then answer exactly. 5 marks distribution for this answer will be like this. 1 mark may be given for title writing, and then entirely drawing this particular histogram will be given 3 marks, and then locating particularly mode and particular value of mode will be given 1 more mark. So totally it will be 5 mark question. As I've already told, this way of manual calculation is not required compulsorily for this particular example. Sometimes it will be asked for 10 marks. Draw histogram and calculate and verify with usual notations mode graphically. At that time, this manual calculation will be compulsorily needed. Next question, question number 38. Following is the data regarding expenditure on advertisement and sales of marketing company. So expenditure in terms of mean and standard deviation it is given, and sales also in terms of mean and standard deviation the values are given. And correlation coefficient between these two variables, expenditure on advertisement and sales, also is given as 0.75. Estimate the sales if the advertisement expenditure is 30 lakhs. This is what is the given question. Once when two variables are correlated and value of one particular variable is known to us, the other variable is to be estimated or calculated, we use regression analysis. This question is based on the chapter regression. Let's go for the answer. Let X expenditure on the advertisements and Y be the sales. Two variables were given, one as X and another one as Y. Let us consider. Sales was asked to be estimated, that's why let us take Y on X. Regression equation of Y on X is Y minus Y bar be Yx into X minus X bar. Of course, where this Byx is R into sigma Y divided by sigma X. R is given already as 0.75. Sigma Y was given as 2. Sigma X is given as 5. How did we come to know? Expenditure we have taken as X and sales we have taken as Y. Mean of expenditure is nothing but X bar. Mean of sales is nothing but Y bar. And then SD of expenditure is sigma X and SD of sales is sigma Y. So that's how I said sigma Y was given as 2 and sigma X is given as 5. So this 2 by 5 multiplied by 0.75 when we perform, we are going to get 0.3 as the answer. Now this equation, which was Y minus Y bar equals to Byx into X minus X bar, let it be considered. Y as it is, Y bar is 120 given to us. Just now we calculated Byx to be 0.3. Let us substitute. And X as it is, and for X bar, we know already it is 20. So Y as it is, 120 also as it is, 0.3 into X, 0.3X, 0.3 into 20, that is 6. So Y, let us keep it as it is here, this 120 which is minus, let us take it into right hand side, which will become plus 120. So now Y as it is, 0.3X also as it is, plus 120 minus 6 is nothing but plus 114. Further, this equation cannot be simplified. That's why let us take this equation as regression equation of Y on X. For given X value as 30 lakhs, we were asked to calculate Y value. Therefore, in this equation, wherever X is there, let us substitute as this 30. So Y as it is, 0.3 also as it is, in place of X, let us substitute 30 and 114 also as it is with its sign. So 0.3 into 30 is 9 plus 114 as it is, 114 plus 9 is 123. So Y equals to 123 lakhs is the answer required. Here 5 marks distribution may be like this. For having written this equation of Y on X, 1 mark will be given. Byx formula and its calculation, 1 mark each. Substitution and calculation will be given 1 mark. and for answer finally 1 more mark will be distributed. The next question, question number 39. First bag has 5 red and 3 green marbles. Second bag has 3 red and 6 green marbles. A marble is transferred from the first bag to the second bag and then the marble is drawn from the second bag. What is the probability that it is red is the question. Of course, the question is based on chapter probability. Let's look at the answer. First bag contains 5 red and 3 green marbles. Total 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 marbles. And second bag 3 red, 6 green marbles. 6 plus 3 total 9 marbles in second bag. It is asked from first bag to second bag one of the marble is transferred. It may be red or it may be green. And then at the end from the second bag one marble is drawn. What is the probability that it is red is the question. So first let us write the events which are happening. It may be transferred from first bag to second bag red ball. That's why let A be considered as red marble is transferred from first bag to second bag. There is other possibility of transferring green ball also or green marble also. That's why let us consider B as green marble transferred from first bag to second bag. After this transfer taking place, from second bag we are drawing the marble. What is the probability that it is red it is asked, so that let us consider C as one more event, drawing red marble from the second bag. So now let us clearly write the required probability. Required probability is probability that transferring red marble from first bag to second bag and then selecting red marble from the second bag. This may be happening, or else instead of red, green marble is transferred from first bag to second bag and at last red marble is drawn from the second bag. Only these are the two possibilities. Okay. Now, probability of transferring red marble is A. So, probability as it is red marble transferring is A, and let us write intersection, and then selecting red marble from second bag is C, so that C let us write, and then or, that is plus, and then transferring green marble is B, so probability of B, and intersection selection of red marble from second bag, that is what is C, so that C can be written. So now what is required for us? Probability of A intersection C plus probability of B intersection C. This event A and C, whether they are dependent or independent, we have to check. What is this C? C is drawing red marble from second bag. This depends on whether red marble is transferred from first bag to second bag or green marble is transferred from first bag to second bag. That means this event C is dependent on either A or this B. So, probability of A intersection C, according to multiplication theorem of probability, we can write probability of A and into probability of the C given A. A is already happened according to that conditional probability, and according to multiplication theorem, this probability of A intersection C can be written as probability of A into probability of C given A. Similarly, plus as it is probability of B into probability of C given B. Let us write this probability of A. What is A? A is red marble is transferred from first bag to second bag. So how many red marble are there in first bag? 5 red marbles are there. What are the number of total marbles in the first bag? 8. So red marble transferring probability is 5 divided by 8. So probability of A is being written here as 5 divided by 8. And this into probability of C given A. What is C? Drawing red marble from the second bag. What is this A? Red marble is transferred from first bag to second bag. Let us consider red marble is transferred from first bag to second bag. 5 red marbles are there. Among 5 red marbles, 1 red marble is transferred from first bag to second bag. How many red marble it became now? 3 were already there, 1 more is transferred, so it became 4. 4 red balls and 6 green balls are already there, so 6 plus 4, it will be 10 total marbles here. So once when red marble is transferred from first bag to second bag, when we draw from second bag 1 red marble, what will be the probability? 4 divided by 10. That's why the C given A is written as 4 divided by 10. Next, plus as it is. Now probability of B. What is B? Green marble transferred from first bag to second bag. How many green marbles are there from the first bag? 3 green marbles are there. What is the total number? 8. Is it not 3 divided by 8 green marble transferring from first bag to second bag probability? Yes. That's why this probability of B is written as 3 by 8. Next, probability of C given B. That means probability of drawing red marble from second bag known that green marble is transferred from first bag to second bag. Okay. Now, second condition, that is green marble transferring from first bag to second bag. So let's just check it out. So one of the green marbles is transferred from first bag to second bag. So how many green marbles are there in the second bag? Already 6 green marbles are there. 1 more is transferred from first bag to second bag. Is it not becoming 7 green marbles now? Yes. And red marbles is remaining as it is as 3 red marbles in the second bag. So what is the total number of marbles in the second bag now? The 7 plus 3 red marbles. Is it not 10? Yes. Now from this second bag, red marble has to be drawn. What is the total number of red marbles present here now? 3 red marbles. What is the total number of marbles available? 10. So is it not 3 divided by 10 after transferring green marble from first bag to second bag? Yes. So probability of C given B is 3 divided by 10. So now all these required probabilities we have already written. Just simplification and calculation is needed. So 5 multiplied by 4, 20. 8 multiplied by 10, 80. Then plus in between as it is. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. 8 multiplied by 10 is 80. So 20 divided by 80 plus 9 divided by 80. When we solve, we are going to get 29 divided by 80, which is 0.3625. So this is what is the required probability as the answer for this given question. 5 marks for this particular answer may be given like this. For defining all these events, 1 mark. Then writing required probability either in terms of statements or in terms of mathematical statement, 1 more mark. Substitution and calculation, 2 more marks. And finally arriving at the answer, 1 mark may be given. Next question, question number 40. Find the mathematical expectation of numbers obtained when a fair die is rolled. So in terms of answer, let us just write first defining random variable, that is capital X, whatever the number we are going to obtain on that particular die whenever it is rolled, that is number obtained on the die. Once when capital X is number obtained on a die, then small x will be the values taken by this particular random variable. Once when we are rolling a die, we may get the values as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 with respective probabilities as 1 divided by 6 because it's a fair die. Let's write x and p of x values. We know already x values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then all the probabilities will be 1 divided by 6 itself because it's fair die. And it's asked to calculate mathematical expectation. That's why expectation of x formula, let us keep it written. Expectation of x equal to summation of x into p of x. X is also there. P of x values are also there with us. Let us multiply those two in order to get x into P of x. So x into P of x, 1 into 1 divided by 6 is 1 divided by 6. X into P of x, 2 into 1 divided by 6 is 2 by 6. Like this, all these x and P of x values let us multiply and keep it written as x into P of x row. Now we want this x into P of x calculation summation. So this entire calculation, whatever we have done, this summation we want. Here it will be 1 by 6 common in all these answers. That's why 1 by 6 is taken as common. 1 by 6, if it is taken common from this, only 1 is present here, and since summation in between plus, let us write. And then from this 2 by 6, if already taken 1 by 6 as the common, it remains 2. Like that, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 will be remaining from these remaining items. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 into 1 divided by 6 whenever we are doing, it is 21 divided by 6. The answer of expectation of x will be 3.5. So this is what is asked to calculate as the mathematical expectation of numbers of obtained when a fair die is rolled once. 5 marks distribution for this answer may be like this. This entire calculation as rows and columns will be given as 2 marks. For formula of expectation of x, 1 mark. Substitution and calculation, 1 mark. Finally getting perfect answer, 1 more mark may be given. Totally it will be a 5 mark answer.
Actual fees was 5,000 rupees, but now for you at 80% of exclusive off, now the course fees is only 1,000 rupees. It will be both for commerce as well as science students. Quality coaching at lowest fees. Here is a best opportunity to learn complete syllabus of second year PUC statistics within 100 days and complete academic year support of doubt clarification session also. First batch starts immediately after your first PUC annual examination. If you are a science student with PCMS combination, learn complete PU2 statistics within 100 days and remaining all days you can use for CET, JEE main, advanced and for any other competitive examinations. If you are a commerce student, again learn complete PUC second year syllabus of statistics within 100 days and remaining all days you can use happily for CA preparation, CS preparation and any other competitive examination preparation. Hello, I am Mr. Prasanna Joshi with 13 plus years of teaching experience and 5 plus years of PUC second year board valuation experience. Then what for the delays? Pick your phone, make a call and reserve your seat. Remember, only limited seats are available. Hurry up and make it fast. Let me meet you all with second year PUC syllabus in our class.